Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple stir-fry leek with carrot. I have about 2 cups of leek. This one I use only the leaf part, and I have about 3/4 cup of vegetable stock, about 1 cup of white radish, half a cup of carrot, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil. If you do not have garlic oil and crispy fried garlic, you can just use 3 cloves of garlic and fry it before cooking. I have a teaspoon of tapioca flour, 1 yellow onion, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'll be using water as well. This is going to be very quick and simple. You can just cook it for a quick lunch or a quick dinner. So I like to start off with mixing the flour with water first. Alright, done with the flour. Next, we're going to mix the sauce with the vegetable stock. If you do not have vegetable stock, we can use normal water, is okay. Light soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper. Just put half of the garlic oil. Let's mix it. The sauce is done. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan, and I'm going to put in all the garlic oil. Just wait for the oil to heat up. We're going to put in the carrot and white radish, because these two vegetables, they will take longer time to cook, right? So we just give it a stir first. Going to put in the yellow onion. When it's getting dry, I'm going to put in just a little bit of sauce. I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook for about 2 minutes, because we want the carrot and the white radish to get a bit softer. Carrot and white radish is almost cooked, and I'm going to put in the balance of the sauce and bring it to boil. Gravy is boiling, and now I'm going to put in the leek. Leek will cook very fast. If you want it crunchy, you can just cook it for a bit, and if you want it soft, you can cook it longer. So I'm just going to cook the leek for about 1 minute. Cover the lid for wait for another 1 minute. Alright, it's about 1 minute. So now leek is already cooked. Look at that. It looks so yummy. So now you can taste it. Very delicious and very sweet. At this stage, if you want to add in more seasoning, you can do so, but for this, it's already tasty and it's enough. So I'm going to now put in the flour mix to thicken the sauce. Okay, once we put in the flour mix, the gravy will be thickened, and then it's nice. So I'm going to switch off the heat. Now I'm going to add in the crispy fried garlic. Just leave a little bit for garnishing. Let's give it a mix. Oh, looks so good. That is done. This is best served immediately once it's cooked. So I'm going to dish out and serve. This kind of vegetable is best served with rice. You can also eat it by itself. For today, I do not have rice. Just try the vegetable only. Wow, it is very delicious, very tasty and flavorful. vegetable is still crunchy. The gravy is very sweet and nice fragrance of the leek and also the crispy fried garlic. Overall, it blends very well. Lovely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more of my simple cooking like this. Thank you and bye-bye.